What's going on, guys? It's unbox24 here. I'm back with another video. I know I haven't been posting a lot. Well, I've been posting shorts, but I'm back with another video, and today, as you can see, I got some new gear with me. We are doing a review on these. These are the Twinkly squares. They're basically like pixel squares that you can run like GIFs on. You can do like cool animations on these, and I got 4 of them. This is the first one that I unboxed. I didn't do a video on this one, but as you can see, this one's going right now. So as you can see, it's made up of individual LEDs and whatnot, and it's really cool. It's kind of like a mini video wall, and that's what I'm kind of going for my rig setup. And I'm buying all this stuff for like Christmas, because I'm going to do a really big Christmas rig. Oh, and also, if you guys are new, make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to subscribe to my 2nd and 3rd channel. I got some videos on there. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I post a lot of behind the scenes stuff and just what my life is like. So make sure you go do that. Now let's get on to the unboxing. This is the first square unboxed, and as you can see, it's running like a little pixel effect. I got the 4+1 pack. As you can see, it comes with a main one, and it comes with 3 extension ones. And so there they are right there. And these are actually smart. You can control them with Google Assistant, Alexa, and Apple HomeKit. Let's open the other box. As you can see, the Twinkly box. It comes with a manual and some documentation, and it comes with some stickers and a warranty card. And then this is just like a little diagram of the mounting placement of these squares, but I'm not planning on mounting them anywhere. So, and then we have all of the squares. So as you can see, it's pretty similar to this one right here. The only difference is if you look on the back, this is an extension square, and then this is the main power unit square. So as you can see, the designs are a bit different, and then it comes with 3 more of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them now. All right, so there's all 3 of the squares. In the rest of the box, it comes with some cables to connect all the squares together, and some connectors. And for the original square right here, the power unit, you actually get a type C to C cable, like right here. So I'm gonna connect these all together, and I'll show you guys how to do it. All right, so basically this is the power unit square, and we're gonna connect all 4 of these. So basically what you do is you get connectors, and you put them onto these squares. So you connect them in like so. These are basically cheaper video wall panels. All right, we're gonna get the other one. I plan on buying 4 more of these so I can have a full video wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect all these together, and we're gonna connect them and power them up. Okay, now this next part is a bit challenging, because you have to connect all of these together. So as you can see, we got these cables here, and we're gonna connect them together. So let's do that. So there we go. As you can see, we have all 4 squares connected together. If you want it to be even more sturdy, you could just put more connectors on like that. Now we're gonna plug this in. So as you can see, only one of them is working, and so we gotta use the app. Hey, Future Isaiah Lights 24 here. So I read the manual, and it actually didn't come with a power supply 3+1. You actually have to buy the 6+1 to get the big power supply, and it takes like a 60-watt power supply to power the whole thing. That's why it hasn't worked, because it's showing red dots, and then the main square is doing just fine. The other 3 pixels have like red dots on them, showing this like low power, and so I need to get like a bigger power brick so I can power all 4 of them at once, and then eventually 8. So that's just to give you an update. I'll update you guys when the power brick gets here. So it'll be a few days. So I'll see you. All right, guys. Future Isaiah Lights 24 here. I got all of them working. I had to get a bigger power supply. This is like a 60-watt power supply right here. This is a charging brick. and I'm using it to power all 4 of these. And as you can see, they all work. And so I'm gonna connect them to the app now. So I'm gonna go get my iPad and we're gonna connect these. And we got some scenes right here, so I'm gonna play one of them. As you can see, this is so cool. It's pretty much like a video wall. This is like a sunrise. It's pretty cool. So here are my final thoughts on the Twinkly squares. I think they are really awesome. They look pretty much similar to like a video wall. It's just a lot cheaper, pretty easy to set up and control. One downside is that whenever I plug the actual thing in, the LED, the indicator LED, gets kind of out of whack and it starts flickering like crazy and the lights won't turn on. And so I have to like disconnect like one of the panels and then reconnect it and then it turns on. So I wish that Twinkly would fix that issue. Another thing is I wish it would come with a power supply so that we wouldn't have to use a USB cable. And if we wanted to add more lights, they would give us like a power cable. Another thing is I wish the app had more functionality, but other than that, this is a great light, smart video wall, whatever you want to call it. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video.